Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back. You all can already tell based on the thumbnail, this is a team build collaboration. Yes, it is the What's in My Purse challenge. Oh my goodness, and I'm so excited to be participating, y'all. So, again, if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. If we are chat family, you already knows what it's given, huh? We are going to be getting together, premiering on October 4th, one after the other, after the other, after the other, so that you all can take a look at what us ladies of a particular age haul around in our bags. Now, what is it about a woman and her bag? I don't know. Some say it says something about what that woman's packing around in her bag. If you all want to see what I'm carrying around in my bag these days, stick around. Set that reminder. Make sure that notification bell is double tapped so that you can be in attendance for the premiere. Again, this is a collaboration with myself, Be Amazing Sylvia, Marlene of Living Your Best Life, Geo of Team Build with Geo, and Grandma Faye, LME. So again, these challenge videos will premiere on October 4th. Stay tuned. We're looking forward to seeing you and seeing what you guys think down in the comments. Peace.